and welcome to Just 2020, where today we are going to be folding your beach towels using Marie Kondo's KonMari method so that you can find what you have, what you need in a hurry, throw it in that beach bag, in the linen closet, wherever you may want to store them. Find which one you need easily and quickly when you need them. We have our beach towel, and they're longer than most normally. So we are going to lay it face down on our table, and even if it's over the edges, it's not a big deal. The reason we lay it face down because we want to be able to see the pattern once it's folded, so that we can tell the difference between all of our towels easily and quickly. We're going to fold it into 3 even folds using Marie Kondo's sliding method, which actually helps it take up less space. Then we're going to fold it in half. If your ends stick out a little bit or uneven, it's not a big deal, because we are going to fold that first into a small fold, and you're going to want to leave a space between so that when you fold it together, there's space for both folds instead of trying to fold around it and roll it and make it awkward and make it try to unfold. So we have our 2 folds, and there it is. You can tell which one it is. It stands up on its own if we want to store them in a bag, on a shelf, in the linen closet. And then you can have them beside each other with other family members, beach towels, quickly and easily, and we can tell the difference. You can grab them up quickly, easily, to transport them. Even if you just fold them and leave them in the laundry basket, it's still better than having them all together in a big mess. Now again, if it is bigger yet or wider yet, you can fold it into 4. If you wanted it to be shorter so that it fits onto your shelf or into your bag better, you could do smaller folds. And do this one twice, making sure still that you have that space between them to do that final fold. There's not quite enough space. Making it easier and less time to have to refold them, find them, or arguments over whose towel is whose. And if you wanted to, you could easily store a swimsuit inside with a shopping bag for when it's wet after. It makes it easy to find out which one is which. And then storage in your beach bag would be a whole lot simpler if you have folded your items using the KonMari method. Because you could have the whole set in there. This way, and then now everyone can see from the top where each item is, and just grab it out easily without making a mess of all the other items. And if they grabbed the wrong one, it's easy to put back. Easy to store. And it's not going to go flying all over the place, even when it's not packed tightly. And you have it in the car, and the kids are throwing it around. It's still fairly tidy and simple, easy to use. So have fun at the beach or the pool or wherever you're off to. Vacation. Woo! Please hit like and subscribe down here so that you can be notified next week when I make another folding video.